As contractors look for quality, reliable, and durable SLUs, LATICRETE NXT Level is that tried and true product. This calcium aluminate-based self-leveling underlayment has a superior pour depth of 3 inches and has been placed over hundreds of millions of square feet. It has a compressive strength of 5,000 psi, giving you durability you need. Finished floor goods can be installed in as little as 24 hours. As always, refer to the product data sheet for specific mixing, application, and other performance attributes. And please remember, you're only as good as the tools you use, so be ready to install any LATICRETE self-leveling underlayment or overlayment with this premium toolkit. Start by adding the required water into the bucket. Open the bag and pour slowly while using a drill with a minimum RPM of 650. An oval-style mixing blade is recommended, and keeping it in the mix is important to prevent the introduction of air. Always stop in the middle of the mix to scrape down any leftover dry product, as this will make a uniform mix. Mix for a full 3 minutes before applying NXT Level. Primer Plus or Prime and Bond can be used over concrete surfaces. It's important to review TDS 230 for primer recommendations and instructions. Minimum application thickness is 1/8 of an inch to 3 inches. This can eliminate multiple applications of primer and more, saving you time and money. As with any NXT SLU, flowability is key, and NXT Level is no different. Once on the floor, NXT Level can be applied at the required thickness using a gauge rake. This makes for a carefree application. Following that, break the surface tension to get an extremely flat surface. This can be done using a spiked roller. Roll the spikes over the material and make sure to overlap the previous route, making sure no spots are left behind. A smoother can be used as well for this application. This process will ensure a successful project. NXT Level can be walked on 2 to 3 hours after it's been applied, opening the floor up to other trades quickly. NXT Level, a preferred choice by experienced contractors nationwide. Learn more about our products at LATICRETE.com and by viewing our comprehensive LATICRETE University video tutorials.